Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. In today's video, I just want to give you a quick update on some things that I've been working on in the background for the channel. So the first thing, something that I am very excited for, is I'm going to be live streaming here on YouTube from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Eastern time every single day, every single market day. So Monday through Friday, if the market's closed, and obviously we won't have a live stream, but I'm going to be here every morning preparing you, also preparing myself for the market. It forces me to get in this chair, start looking at the market at 8 o'clock, which will help me, and hopefully it'll help some of you guys out there to look at some charts, go over some market news. Overall, a very collaborative environment, hopefully connecting with some of you that are subscribed to the channel. So I think this will be very cool. I'm sure some of you know the Chad, so Stock Market Live, Josh Answers. He does a very awesome live stream all throughout the market day. And obviously, this is not a competition to that. This is just me wanting to do something of my own, looking at the market in the morning and hopefully helping some of you out here in the morning. So that is the first thing that I am very excited for. This is going to start tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this right now, as of Tuesday, May 11th, the live stream is going to start tomorrow at 8 a.m. So I hope to see you there. I'll definitely post some links about it in the description below. And also make sure to subscribe and press that bell notification so that you guys know exactly when we go live. As you may or may not have noticed, I focused a lot of my effort here on YouTube as well as in the Discord chat on people that work 9-to-5 jobs that are looking to either trade for a living, make that transition, or just find passive income on the side with swing trades and lower maintenance type trades. I think there's a lot of people out there that want to do this, that really have aspirations of doing this, and I hope to be someone that can help. That's why I've been focusing on these swing trades, and I hope that these live streams in the morning can be something that you can listen to before work, and I hope it will help you out with your trading. Now, with this integration of the live stream on the YouTube channel, I am looking for a way to incentivize some of you that may listen in on the pre-market live stream to come into the Discord chat and listen in on the market commentary. So I'm there every single day from 9 o'clock to around 12 o'clock Eastern time, talking through the market with some of the market movers, some of the morning movers, the high volatility stuff that's going on. I'm there calling out what I'm watching and some trades that I'm getting into. And to incentivize some of you to transition from the live stream into the Discord chat, I am lowering the price to $19.99. This is, I think, a very small fee to pay to be part of a community of over 1,300 traders working with each other on a daily basis, finding trades, calling out trades. And I want to really push that this is not a signal service. This is more of a community that I've really worked hard on building, and it has been really working out well. And I think a lot of people that are in the Discord have really enjoyed it. So I am lowering that price to $19.99. There's a lot of things that you can cut back on every single month, like getting Starbucks, getting Juul pods, drinking alcohol every day. That will make that $20 look like basically nothing, and you're really investing in yourself. So I am lowering that price. Hopefully that incentivizes you. And for that price, basically what you're getting is a live stream from 8 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock in the afternoon with the market commentary, with trade ideas, as long as some other added bonuses in the Discord chat. So guys, there is the update and the vision that I have moving forward for this YouTube channel. I really appreciate all of the support that I've had so far, and I know I want to continue to innovate and continue to move outside of my boundaries to make sure that I continue to grow here on YouTube and continue to help some of you out there. So if you can connect with that, I hope you do enjoy it. If you do, make sure to subscribe to the channel for the future journey here on the channel. Make sure to press that like button for me. Press the bell notification so that you're alerted every single time that I go live. And if you want to join the Discord chat, it is now $19.99. The link is down below, so feel free to check that out. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you again for all the support here on the channel. I hope to see you in the live stream tomorrow morning, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. Peace.